Okay guys, Speedboat Maniac 410 coming at you. So obviously today is the total eclipse day and everybody's covering it. It's on every station, you know, around the world. You know, 627 gazillion channels have it. So what I thought I would do is, like any bonehead that has a camera right now in the world, right? And I know you're not supposed to look at it directly and this, that, and the other, but I thought maybe what I would do, I want to see what it does with my camera. Just point the camera up, turn down the setting on the light filter coming into the camera, and then I'll see, because I forget how long it's supposed to last. I know the total eclipse is 2.5 minutes or something like that. But I'm going to get my eye protection. I don't have no special, what you call them, whatever you call it. I don't have any special eyeglasses, the paper ones or whatever. My dad had them down in South Carolina. He's down there getting ready. He's down there excited and he's doing it. So we're going to do it goofball, hillbilly hick style, Ken Island style here. So give me a second. We're going to use my old welding helmet that's got cobwebs on it. I forget what the rating is here on the side of it, and looking at welds and whatever. And I know that they have certain, what do you call it? Certain values that you can or can't look through diffused lighting. So basically we're just going to wipe it off and give it a go. Apparently, my nephew Christian, otherwise known as Swamp Ass, just kidding, he just called me and told me that it just started about 2 minutes ago, meaning the start of the eclipse. So I think it lasts about, I don't know, 20 or 30 minutes or 12 minutes or something like that. Who knows? You could tell, guys, I'm not full of great information about eclipse, but what do you think? Oh, my head must have got bigger since the last time. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Who knows? I don't know, guys. We'll have to see. Let's take a look and see. Cut off electricity. I gotta save money for my boat, for the gas money for my boat, and headers and whatnot. There it goes. I'm getting a little bit of filtration, and there we go. Christian said I can turn the phone down like that. Okay? And I don't know how good this is going to work or not, guys. It is just like welding, looking through here. You see that? You guys are looking through my welding helmet. Okay, you see? Just holding it like this. And obviously putting it on my mug, but I don't know what it's going to look like between here and there. So I can get here, lay down, check it out with you guys. I don't know how good it's working or not working. Probably washing out all of the camera, but we're going to let it run. There you go, like that. Okay. Is that better? Is that better, guys? So I'm just laying here in the yard, just laying down. I don't want to get a chair. This is kind of a special place in my yard. It's a special place. I sometimes come out here in the evening and just sit, pray, or kneel and just relax a little bit. But let's take a look and see, guys, about this eclipse and this wonderful world and the sun and the universe and the moon and all that God created. Let's take a look at it, guys. You have to be real patient. Probably got another 15 minutes of this going on, so we'll see. They say we're supposed to only get like 70 or 75% eclipse here where we're at. We'll see. And hopefully this Samsung camera of mine, cell phone, is picking up halfway decent. We'll see. So guys, honestly, I don't think that the camera's doing this any justice. So we're going to come back in a second, take a look and see if we get close to it being a little bit dark out here. Okay guys, so I've been still looking through my welding helmet for about 5 to 7 minutes after you guys were just chilling out. Because I didn't want to, waste you guys just looking at a bright sun that's not even picking up. But it seems to me, what I'm experiencing and what I'm seeing, because we're in Maryland and not down south a little bit more where the path of the actual eclipse is more prevalent, they said that we're supposed to only get 70% of it, as you guys have already heard me say. But what I'm noticing is, even though the moon moved into the sun, it's almost like it stops and it's not continually going through. Now that doesn't make sense to me, but we're going to take a look and see if anything changes, or if it's going to get a little bit more dusk outside, or it's going to dim down in light or something. Because it's been about 20-25 minutes since we started to look. So I'm going to see if the sun is actually starting to get brighter and the sliver is getting bigger. It's kind of odd, but we'll see. Let's take a look. So guys, from what I could tell, and this is just my unprofessional observation and my opinion on what I think is happening, at least here where we're at in Maryland. Look, I'm not a scientist, I'm not a planetarian or whatever you want to call it, or a meteorologist or a weatherman or whatever. But what I notice is the moon is moving into the sun and it's staying there, but it's almost like it's moving a different direction now or something. And I'm not saying it shouldn't just go straight across it, because it is. That's what it does when you're down in that belt that it's going across, even down to South Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, Wisconsin, and whatever, Missouri and Oregon, how it goes that path. But where we're at, from what I could tell, again, the Earth is spinning, the moon's spinning around the Earth, and we're spinning around the sun. So while all that's happening, there's an oscillation, almost like the moon moved into the sun, it stays, and then it kind of moves the other way. Again, that's just what I'm seeing. Let's take a look and see. We got like probably 5 or 10 more minutes, and I don't think you're going to see much more, or I'm not going to see much more. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's what's happening, guys. It's at its peak of eclipsing, but it's almost like I don't know, it's like it's not traveling across the sun. Obviously, like I said, the world is spinning, and the moon is spinning around the Earth, but just from perspective point, it doesn't look like the moon is crossing from where we're at in Maryland, straight across it. It's like it's stopped. It's like it's not going any further. And it's been a good 30, 35 minutes, I think, that I've been out here. Yeah, there's 23 minutes on the video, and I stopped the video for a good 5, 7, 8 minutes before. So it's been 30, 35 minutes. And it's almost like it's not getting any darker. We'll give it a little longer. I'll put you guys on pause, and we'll come back and see if there's any major changes. I don't know. So guys, I'm in the house here. What do you say, Jack? What do you think about this eclipse, bud? Jack, my dog. So, we're checking out some Weather Channel stuff. She is in Nashville, Tennessee, right? Obviously that's moments ago, but the cloud cover. But right now she's live, right now at 2:27, okay? And it's 2:27 here at our house in Maryland, in Nashville, Tennessee. But that's what they have, and they're basically on the same, what do you call it, latitude or longitude that we are. Not, you know, but it's down further. So I'm not sure how much longer it's gonna last, but I gotta say, it's weird. It doesn't look dark out, but it does look a little bit dimmer. It does look a little bit dimmer out here. Not too much. I don't know. I've just been looking through the welding helmet for about 20 minutes, and I sure hope that welding helmet has kept my eyes safe. What do you think, Chloe, Jack, you guys? Look, there it is. We're going to go outside one more time, see if there's any changes, guys. And that's not the sun. That's that sun, the light. Okay, let's go see. Let me dim this down. Yeah, there is an ever so slight, like a storm is coming or something, not in wind-wise, but light-wise. So yeah, like out here, it just kind of seems like it's almost getting dusk or something. Let's see. I don't know, guys. No. Yeah, that's the case. It's just more of a, it's just going to go into it and not go all the way through it here where we're at. So we're not going to be able to experience anything wildly crazy with this. So yeah, you guys can see what it's doing here, right? I think that's pretty much it, guys. It actually looks like it's starting to actually brighten up outside a little bit. We'll see you guys next time. God bless.